One of the world's greatest breads after baguette would have to be pita bread. I love pita bread, flat, soft and fluffy in the centre, and when they're served hot, they are just the best thing. Now, let's start with the flour. I use a strong, high-protein plain flour just like this one. It's ideal for bread loaves, so bread rolls, flatbreads like this, even pizza. So we're going to add about 2 cups of the flour into a mixer with a dough hook attachment. We'll add some yeast. This is instant yeast, along with some sugar and a good pinch of salt. And we'll just combine those ingredients together. All right, that's combined. Now for the liquid. 3 types of liquid for this. We need some warm water along with some extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt. I'll turn the mixer back on, we'll incorporate all of that liquid and then just allow it to knead for a good 5 to 8 minutes or until it's really, really sticky and soft. All right, that mixer has been working very hard to create a lovely, soft, elastic dough. I want to prove it in a glass bowl that's just been oiled, just with some olive oil, so it doesn't stick. I'm just going to scoop it out with a dough scraper, just so you can see how sticky it is. Oh, fantastic. And then I'm going to cover it with a tea towel, and this needs to prove for about 2 hours. What we're looking for is for this dough to double in size. All right, time to have a look at this dough. Ooh, it's certainly doubled in size. It's alive. This is one happy dough. Now, I highly recommend having a little extra flour on your hands and also on the board, just so we can cut this up into some portions. And then we're going to scoop this out. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. It's still lovely and warm. So now we're just going to knead this gently. Such a shame to do because you are knocking back all that lovely air, but we do need to do this. Just make it into another ball, tuck it all in. Now what I like to do is cut this into 8 portions or 8 pitas. So in 2, just keep them on that flour. And then again. So what I'm going to do is just knead each ball of dough, and I like to have a rolling pin and just roll them out. Now, because they're homemade pitas, I want them to look slightly rustic. So just stretch them out. You can see it springs back, that's okay. Just keep rolling them. Oil in the pan, just a small drizzle. In with the pita, so you want to work with them one at a time. And then we're going to cook them just on a medium heat. While they're cooking, I'm just going to prepare some oil with some oregano. So extra virgin olive oil along with some oregano, because there's nothing better than hot oil, oregano and salt hitting these as they come out of the pan. So a little bit more salt, and we'll give that a stir, and that'll be on standby. As soon as it comes out of the pan, a good brushing of that. Yum. These have been a lot of fun to make, and it smells so good in here. This one's ready to go. I'll take it out. You can see I've got a lovely pile of pita here and oiling the last side. And that's my version of pita bread. Fantastic, just with some dips like tzatziki, tara masalata, or one more option, just have a taste as is. Oh, piping hot. Fluffy on the inside, crispy on the outside, best served warm.